We are here today. We're going to plant some sunflowers for the kids. These are big mammoth sunflowers. Let me see this, buddy.
They look like
these. So you can actually save the seeds off of this and roast them if the birds don't get them all.
And we immediately found a worm. And Jeff.
We found a worm. Here you go.
Okay,
this is by our chicken pen. We're just going to put a few here. It's kind of shady, so I'm not sure how good they'll do.
Most of them look like this.
Nice.
So now I'll just put them in here. So I'm going to put them in too far. And all the ones look like this. You can see them.
Okay.
Just one in there.
There you go. You can kind of just sprinkle them in, maybe.
And Dad
Claire, you want to do some?
And Dad here.
Over here.
Dad, can you say hi to the camera? Hi to the YouTubers.
Put one in here.
Dad, can you say hi to the YouTubers?
Pippin, let's put the seed, buddy.
Huh?
What you doing?
Dad, can you say hi to the YouTubers?
There you go. There you go. There you go.
This might be a 5-minute video.
You put it in, Claire?
Put it in here. In here.
Yeah. Good job.
Good job. Let's put this one now. From here. Put it here. Put it over here. Over here, baby.
Should I just give them a good peek in the bag?
Sure. There you are. Okay.
Do something clear, buddy.
Okay.
There's a worm up there.
Yeah.
You see the worm? It's a worm.
Yeah. We're putting back in the hole with the seeds.
Can I show the camera?
They can see it. There it is. Why don't you throw him in with the seeds?
Like this.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, and we also found another one.
Okay.
Does it look like a worm? This.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
What?
Yeah, I don't know.
Maybe baby worm. Now we're gonna start down here, guys. Check.
There he is.
Horses. You don't want them
put 'em
too
back
close
down there.
together.
That looks